CICR is present in Alepo since July 2013. Currently, we have 6 international staff and 35 national staff working for ICRC in Alepo. The humanitarian situation is very dramatic in the area where we have the direct confrontation between the governmental troops and through armed opposition groups. There are many areas in the town, many neighborhoods in the town that are completely devastated. Many people are left without access to basic commodities like food, water, electricity, medical health care. There is a lack of drugs. Many hospitals and medical centers are not operating in a way it should be. On top of it, I mean, the whole town has a problem with water supply and electricity. The month of July was extremely hot, so here temperature can reach even 42 to 43 degrees. In the close collaboration with the Syrian Red Crescent Society branch in Alepo and with the water board authorities in Alepo, we rehabilitated 56 boreholes. These boreholes can produce good quality water. In different places in the town, we installed the water tanks, additional water tanks to store the water. In the last 2 weeks, we brought around 4 million of drinkable water to these reservoirs. Now, the problem was how to inform people where to go. On the ICRC Syria official Facebook page, we published the map that gives basically locations of these water points. And at the same time, people would know where to go and get the water. At the same time, there will be possibility for them to give us feedback on the quality of our interventions. If distribution of water was sufficient, if the water quality is good, we get direct feedback from the people who receive this water. Many people really, they're using quite a lot of social media, and the response is very good. We get some negative feedback as well about different technical things. So our water and sanitation team will look on these comments and will try to improve our assistance in the future based on comments we get from the community. We'll do the best to continue providing water to the people who need in Alepo, especially in this hot period. Many people cannot afford to buy basic food commodity and basically to survive on a daily basis. That's why the initiative was for these poor people, for people who are really vulnerable, to provide at least decent food meal per day. The ICRC and the Syrian Arab Red Crescent Society in Aleppo, they're trying to support different projects. One of them is a bread project. So far, we are doing through local bakeries 8,600 bread packs on a daily basis. But the second one is basically support given to collective kitchens. It's a local initiative. This kitchen provides roughly between 2,000 to 20,000 cooked meal per day. Ready-made food allows people who has no access to fuel, to cooking utensils, people who don't have accommodation, proper accommodation, to have access to at least one cooked meal per day.